Yesterday, yesterday's class, in the previous class, we have proved the Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. The other name of basic proportionality theorem is Thales theorem. Today, let's learn some of the corollaries of basic proportionality theorem. Here, as you know that the statement of basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem is that if a line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle which intersects other two sides at distinct points, divides the other two sides in a same ratio. That's what the statement of basic proportionality theorem. Today, let's learn how to prove the corollaries of basic proportionality theorem, which are of most important for the board examinations. Here in the figure, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. So the corollaries of that one is AB by AD, that is equal to AC by AE. That is first corollary. And the second corollary is that AB by DB, that is equal to AC by EC. These are the two corollaries of basic proportionality theorem. So let's prove the first one, that is AB by AD, that is equal to AE by AC. This is what the first corollary. So proof of this. Proof. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. If DE is parallel to BC, as per the statement of, as per the Thales theorem, as per the basic proportionality theorem, we can write AD by DB, that is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. It is because of basic proportionality theorem. It is because of basic proportionality theorem. We can write AD by DB, that is equal to AE by CE. So taking the reciprocals. Taking the reciprocals, then we will get dB by AD, that is equal to EC by AE. EC by AE. So we want AD in the, this one. Then adding one to both sides. Adding one to both sides. Then what we get? That is dB by AD plus 1, that is equal to EC by AE plus 1. Here, if we take AD as common, AD as LCM, we can write dB plus AD, that is equal to, if we take AE as LCM, then we will get EC plus AE. Here, dB plus AD, dB plus AD, that gives the side AB, that gives the side AB by AD. So similarly, EC plus AE, that gives the complete length AC, that gives the complete length AC by AE. So this is what the result we got, AB by AD, that is equal to AC by AE. That's how we can prove the first corollary. We call it as the first corollary, in which we have taken the first part and the complete part. The first part and the ratio of the first part and the complete part, and is equal to the first part and the complete part. That is AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. So hence the result. Hence the result. This is what the first corollary. First corollary, it is the first part, sorry, the complete part with the upper part is equal to the ratio of the upper part with the complete part. The complete part with the upper part. So this is what first corollary. Now let's move towards the second corollary, that is AB by DB AB by DB, that AB by DB, that is equal to AC by CE. AC by CE. So here so as per the basic proportionality theorem, we can write in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So as per the basic proportionality theorem, we can write AD by DB, that is equal to AE by EC. So with that, here adding 1 to both sides, adding 1 to both sides, then we will get AD by DB plus 1, that is equal to AE by EC plus 1. So if we take the dB as the LCM, then we will get AD plus dB, that is equal to, here EC is LCM, AE plus EC. So here AD plus dB, that gives the length AB. AB by DB, that is equal to AC by BC or CE. So this is what is the result. Is the result. These are the two corollaries of basic proportionality theorem. And one important thing is that so not only these results, or we can take the reciprocals of these results, and they are also correct for any problem. Now I will summarize all the corollaries of basic proportionality theorem. So the first one is, as you know, that it is AD by DB, that is equal to AE by CE, and its reciprocal, that is DB by AD, that is equal to CE by AE. So first thing, it means we can take the BPT as it is, or else we can take the reciprocals of the results of the BPT. And the second one, that is AB by AD, AB by AD, AB by AD, that is equal to AC by AE. So the reciprocals of that one, that is AD by AB, that is equal to AE by AC. Then fifth one, So I wish to write a fifth one here. So the fifth one, AB by AD, AB by AD we got, AB by DB, AB by DB, that is equal to AC by CE, AC by CE. Then sixth one, that is the reciprocal of this, that is DB by AB, that is equal to CE by AC. So these are the important results of basic proportionality theorem. I will explain once again. As per the statement of basic proportionality theorem, so we can write AD by DB, that is equal to AE by CE, and its reciprocal DB by AD, DB by AD, that is equal to CE by AE. Next, when we come to the corollaries, AB by AD, that is equal to AC by AE. The reciprocal of that one, AD by AB, that is equal to AE by AC. And next one is AB by DB, that is equal to AC by EC. The final one, so that's all. These are the important results which we have summarized here. Thank you. And if you have any doubts or with respect to the lesson, if you have any doubts, you just comment it, and also subscribe the channel, share this one, subscribe this one. Thank you.